Experiencing frequent disconnections with your Dell docking station can be frustrating. Understanding the root causes is the first step to solving these issues. The primary causes typically fall into three categories: hardware issues, software problems, or environmental factors. Hardware issues include faulty USB-C ports on your laptop or the docking station itself, inadequate power supply, or damaged and incompatible cables. Cable quality is often a common culprit. Software issues often involve outdated or corrupted drivers, Windows power management conflicts, or BIOS and UEFI incompatibility problems. Environmental factors can include electromagnetic interference, temperature fluctuations, or physical stress on the connections. Start by visually inspecting all cables and ports for damage or debris. Look for any physical signs of wear or contamination. Try using a known good, Dell certified USB-C cable, as cable quality is a common culprit in connection issues. Also, test different USB-C ports on your laptop to rule out a faulty port. This helps isolate whether the issue is with a specific port or the entire system. These initial diagnostic steps will help you identify the root cause of your docking station disconnection issues and guide you toward the appropriate solution. The first troubleshooting step is adjusting your power management settings. Windows often cuts power to USB devices to save energy, which can cause docking station disconnections. This prevents Windows from automatically turning off USB ports to save power, which is a common cause of docking station disconnections. Next, ensure your drivers are current. Dell Command Update automatically manages and installs the latest drivers and firmware for your docking station. If automatic updates don't resolve the issue, try a complete uninstall and reinstall of the docking station drivers from Device Manager. For persistent issues, consider updating your laptop's BIOS or UEFI firmware. Also check your cables and power adapter, as hardware problems can cause disconnections. To prevent future disconnections, establish a proactive maintenance schedule. Regular maintenance can catch issues before they cause problems. Tools like Dell Support Assist provide proactive hardware monitoring and can alert you to potential issues before they cause disconnections. Following these troubleshooting steps and maintenance practices will significantly reduce docking station problems.